On May 24th, YourLIfe Vitamins solidified its commitment to women's health by sponsoring the Women's Health Summit 2000. The goal for this summit was to bring together professionals to discuss the latest trends in women's health and wellness. The Women's Health Summit is intended to educate women about their health. The speakers accomplish this by debunking common myths associated with women's health issues, providing practical tips, and delivering insights into future research. Although this was an invitation-only event, YourLIfe Vitamins felt strongly that consumers should have access to this important information. Therefore, the summit was webcast live at yourlifevitamins.com. Deborah Roberts, ABC correspondent and host of Lifetime Live, opened up the day.
I think that we in the media can and we do play a tremendous role in pushing women's issues, health issues, to the forefront. But I think we also need your help.
The first panel addressed advances in prevention, covering heart disease, cancer, and menopause.
Only about 5% of women fear heart disease, but actually about 35% of them will actually die from it.
Now, just to switch gears to talk about ovarian cancer briefly, one of the myths about ovarian cancer that many clinicians, lay people, and women believe is that ovarian cancer has no symptoms, and it's been called the silent killer for this reason. And it's been thought that one of the reasons it is so deadly is that it's only found in a late stage because there are no symptoms. Well, this is not true.
Menopause is the signal to us in healthcare and to women that they have a bulk of their life ahead of them, and if they didn't pay attention to wellness and disease prevention yet, it's not too late.
The second panel was a provocative look at what a healthy body means in today's American society.
Now, what I'm going to show you in the next 4 slides is a change in the prevalence of obesity in America over the past 10 years. The states in green have the lowest prevalence. The states in red have the highest prevalence, greater than 15% prevalence of obesity, and of course the states in yellow are intermediate. I see some jaws dropping out there. I mean, it is really a huge public health problem.
Actually, osteoporosis is a pediatric disease because if we could build bone, we could prevent the disease. And building bone goes on our entire life. So the good news is that it's never too late, but it's also better to start as young as possible.
Most people, when they think of body image, just think of their shape, their weight, their facial attractiveness. That's what's determining how you feel about your body. In fact, there's much research to show this is not true, and that's what
The final panel of the day focused on how nutrition and supplementation can play a positive role in managing stress and energy levels, top concerns of women today.
But actually, who wants to guess what the most common troubling symptom of menopause was? For an overwhelming percentage of women, 65% of women who've gone through menopause said, and you can call a friend, it was not weight gain. It was not irritability. That was the number one symptom that bothered men. Fatigue, sleep disturbances, night sweats, of course, lead to waking up several times during the night.
Basically what it comes down to is that the better, or the how nourished you are prior to, that's an important one, prior to going into stress as well as during stress will determine how well you handle the stress response. And of course those that are best nourished are the ones that are going to handle it the best.
Well, YourLIfe Vitamins is hosting this summit because we're committed to supporting women's health. Women are the primary users and purchasers of vitamins, minerals, herbs, and supplements, and they've always been our key audience and key consumers.
We are garnering media hits daily. The story has been picked up by national radio and TV networks across the country, as well as major women's magazines. Contact your line or sales representative for more information on how YourLIfe Vitamins can help you be a part of a growing women's health movement and a leader in the self-care revolution.